Hey there guys, today we were planning to visit local landmarks and set up a camp, but we got hit by an insane cold wind, and the wind was so strong at night that it ripped my tarp. So come along for the adventure, because this is gonna be a crazy one. Hey there guys, welcome to another video. We just got off the car, and now we're gonna go visit an incredible place. Even though it's sunny, it is really cold because of the wind. Whoa guys, I had to hide behind a rock because this wind is so insane, it's gonna tear up all of my audio. It is currently 8 degrees, but the wind is so strong it's bringing the thermal sensation down to 4. Alrighty guys, we finally got here. Now this place is La Ventana del Nublo. This is a really cool natural formation that forms a window that casually just looks at like our greatest landmark. Alright guys, now we're gonna head back to the car, have some lunch, and then we're gonna get the camp all set up and go. Alright guys, it's lunchtime and we have some almonds, first of all. We also have a salami sandwich. Alright guys, we walked into the pine forest and we found a pretty decent spot to camp, so now I'm just gonna set up the tent. Alright guys, the tent is all set up, and don't let the weather fool you. It is like 4 degrees, it's so cold, and my girlfriend is freezing, so I'm gonna put the sleeping bag and the mat inside of the tent so she can go in there. Alright, we have the mat. We have the sleeping bags. We have one for 5 degrees and we have one for 0 degrees. We're gonna pass them in. Alright guys, so we have the girlfriend in the sleeping bag, and now we're gonna finish the camp. Now I brought a tarp and I'm gonna put it right here, so that's gonna be our cooking area, which is gonna shield us from the wind when we're cooking. Alright, I found a bunch of dead trees. Now this is great because it's illegal to chop trees here. We can, however, chop up dead wood. Alright guys, I cut the sticks a bit too large, but it's fine. So I'm gonna cut this a bit more. It is done. Look at this. So we have the wall here held down by some stones on the floor, and then we have the big area protecting us from the wind, and also where we're gonna cook, and the tent. Alright guys, we also have some of these strawberry flavored Oreos. They're good. I've been chilling here outside the tent for a bit, and I swear, just being out of the wind and getting hit a bit by the sun has warmed me up so much. Alright, first I'm gonna grab these 2 logs right here that I cut, and I'm gonna remove all the bark. If you see these markings right here on the wood, that means this tree probably died because it was infected with a bark beetle. Well, hey there guys, and this is actually pretty comfortable to cook in, you know. Like, I don't mind getting some cooking going on here. Guys, we came out to take some pictures, but it is so cold, like I can't feel my fingers. In fact, it is so cold I have trouble moving my hand, so I'm gonna rush back. Okay guys, bad news, my hands are doing really bad and I'm like bitterly cold. I'm insanely cold. Good news is the shelter is still standing. Okay guys, so to warm up me and my girlfriend's hands, because we're freezing, I'm going to boil some water, and yeah, that's it. Oh guys, the water is warm. Oh, and it's so nice to hold in my hands. I'm about to get in the tent because it's so cold. So we're just gonna chill in our sleeping bags now for like until tomorrow. Hey there guys, I'm back. So it's 7 and we're like actually freezing up in here. So if we wanna be nice and warm, we gotta get some nice food in us first. Guys, I'm outside and it is really cold. But we have the pan and it's time to make burgers. So we're going to have our bread and our meat, but we have a big problem. We don't have any butter. That's why we're gonna make the bacon first and we can use it as a non-stick. Alright guys, it's time to start with the burgers. We have some salt and pepper. Alright guys, it's time to try the first burger. And I'm so stoked. It is bitterly cold. And there's nothing better than some warm food. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, it's so good. Hey there guys. I don't know if you can see me properly, but I'm just going in the tent, man. It's so cold. I'm just shivering, so yeah. Let's just go in. Alright guys, I'm in the sleeping bag. I don't even have a pillow because it broke. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep and hope tomorrow isn't as cold. I literally can't feel my toes. But yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, it's like the middle of the night and we got scared by a big noise. One of the sticks tipped over. I was getting a feeling this could happen because of the strong wind. Good morning guys. This is absolutely terrible, like. So I went to sleep and the wind got so strong the tarp has ripped. The tarp is like completely ripped apart. Look at this. I am like absolutely devastated by this. Well guys, we have a thermal sensation of 1 degree and it's bitterly cold, but at the very least, I'm gonna try to get some breakfast going. I'm so glad to have this chocolate milk. Ooh, it is freezing, guys. I have trouble moving my hands right now. So now I'm gonna get everything in my backpack and we're gonna get out of here. Also, guys, aside from the really nice and warm chocolate milk we have, we also have donuts. They're a bit stiff from the cold, but they're great anyways. Alright guys, we're finally walking to the bus stop, and I'm terribly sad about the tarp, but I'm just glad to see the sun at this point. I can't feel my hands, I can't feel my feet, and that's about it, guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. We need 1 million billion subscribers.